Okay, so what we want to do here is they want us to eliminate the parameter to give the equation involving just x and y. And so what we're going to do here is take each part and um, solve for cosine and solve for sine. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the Pythagorean identity to replace the sine and cosine and then kind of simplify our expression, our equation from there. So on this first one right here, to solve for cosine of t, I would add 1 to both sides and then divide by 2. So I'd end up with that cosine of t is equal to x plus 1 over 2. And then over here for sine of t, that's going to be a little bit easier. I just need to divide by 5. So I'm going to end up with y over 5. So then what we're going to do now, the Pythagorean identity that we're going to use is cosine, in this terms we're using t squared plus sine of t squared equals 1. So we're just going to replace the cosine and sine, and then that should give us our equation. So let's see, x plus 1 over 2 squared plus y over 5 squared. And then we'll clean it up a little bit. And so squaring my numerator on the first one, I'm just going to leave it as an x plus 1 because that's kind of our format for that. And then the denominator 2 squared would be 4. And then, sorry, that's a little messy. My pen is a little difficult to write with. Let me see. There we go, a little bit nicer. And then plus, let's see, we'll put this as y squared over 25 equals 1. And there we go. That's what they were kind of looking for here, so they could kind of figure out the shape that we're dealing with in ellipse.